Hello little scientists, do you know why I am cleaning my hands? And do you know why we use soap for that? So if you are interested, stay with us some minutes and you will discover it. Let's make an experiment to see how the soap works. For it, all the materials we need is water, black pepper, liquid soap, cotton stick, if you don't want to use your fingers, and a plate. To prepare it, we put some water on the plate and then spread some pepper. Don't be shy, you can be generous with the pepper. Now, we could consider that we have some dirty water and we could imagine that the pepper particles are bacteria or viruses waiting to jump on you. Now try to put your finger on the mix. You will see that they really have jumped on your finger. They are attacking you. No, don't worry again, it's just pepper. But anyway, go to clean your hands for the next step. Now put a little bit of soap in your finger and repeat the same. Wow, can you see that? Every enemy is running away. This is amazing. But why is this happening?
Wow, thank you Esther, very interesting experiment. Now, time for explanation. Water, as everything in our reality, is a bunch of molecules standing together. Here we have all of them holding together and dancing? Well, water molecules, H2O, feel attracted to each other, so they feel attention from every molecule around. Here all of them have mates around, but what happens on the surface? They are only being pulled from their mates below. So basically, they are pulled down until they find a balance. This makes them to be closer to each other, and that creates a kind of a skin on the surface. And this is the responsible of situation like this. Leaf floating on water, clip over the water surface, a water strider literally walking on the water, also the round shape of water drops. Now let's imagine that all the molecules are playing that rope game. No, not that one. Oh yes, this one. So, here we have our molecules pulling the rope, and then a drop of liquid soap comes to break the game. And cut the rope. All the molecules are pulled away as it happened in the experiment. It happened to these guys. Now, can you understand why washing your hands with soap is that important? Every virus or bacteria will run away with it. If you liked this video, please click on like and subscribe to our channel.